Okay. Um, alright. I should be live now. Alright, I should be live now. So, I wanted to make up a stream, and hopefully, I am so sorry. Hopefully I sound good in this stream. Let me try this. Uh, uh, alright, hey Diamond Drogon. I'm sorry, I know that's weird, that sound, but it's just a test. And it's got one person, one like, and that's Luke or Diamond Drogon. Guess what I'm gonna be doing? Academics. Want to see if doing it on a live stream would help. I don't know, but I'll do this for the views, and I hope I sound good. No, I should do it here. How about up here? No. Just have it here. Okay? Alright. I hope you get more views. Yeah, especially on my latest short. Yeah, I really do. And this is a makeup stream for, the Friday stream, because I deleted it because of the sound. Do I sound good and not lagging or anything? Let me see all messages. Do I sound good, Luke, and everything? Alright. Well, alright, cool. Alright, without further ado, I'm finna do some work. Wish me luck. Okay. I'll try to be talking, but, like, it's not gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be the easiest, but I gotta, like, lock in, you know? Alright, let me close out tabs. Oh, yeah, I wanna see this project I made. Hold on. It's for, my geology class. You'll want to see it before I start working. Alright, hey everybody, please subscribe if you're not subscribed and like the stream. I just hope I sound good in this stream. Oh wait, I don't look good. Alright, may not sound good in this stream, but please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get better, you know, and gain more subs, like Luke did. I hope my latest short gets to 2,000 views or at least 1.5k or something. Yeah, gotta lock in. Alright, here is my project. May just hold the camera and show y'all. Hold on, I'm sorry. Alright. Project the Geology of Staten Island. Alright. This is a view of Staten Island, and then this is information about, like, the geologic features of Staten Island from, like, the Ice Age. So, here it is. Alright, and that is my presentation, or my project. Alright. Now, I'm gonna get to work. Let's retouch. Yeah, I'm not sure what retouch is. Alright. Gonna do a little work. Wish me luck. Okay. Alright, so I'm doing work for geology. Thank you, man. Thank you, Rabban for C. Alright. It's hard for me, man. Okay, wait. Can't. Okay, and I'm going to get to work on academics. Wish me luck. My award should be 300 subs or 2,000 views on my latest short for working. Yeah, it's fine if I don't. Okay. Alright, here I go. I mean, I'm sorry if I sound dumb the way it just sounded, but yeah. Okay. I'll try. I promise I'll be talking while working. Guess I'll read in like the stream so it's like educational, you know? Yeah. Please subscribe if you're watching this and you're not. If you're scrolling on Shorts feed, please subscribe. Thanks. If not, it's alright. Hope you have a good day. Alright, wait. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I already am in, but like, let me see. Want y'all to see more of my face. I'm gonna do something and read aloud, like, from Google Translate. It helps me to read, because it's kind of it'd be like hard for me to read. It's just boring. It's the feeling of doing academics and looking at like black and white and yeah, just like information of so many words that you gotta understand and everything. Yeah, probably hope y'all know that feeling, you know. Oh, and I hope I'm loud enough from this distance and sounding good and, yeah. I look good, like in this angle, in my opinion. Alright, wait. Hey, I was just telling my parent how I'm trying to do academics on stream, hoping it would help for me to lock in, you know? Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Alright, wait. Alright, alright. Um, Google Translate. Appreciate the people rocking with me. Or appreciate the people rocking with me and sticking along with me. I appreciate that. Please don't leave. I don't want 0 people here. Well, 1 person's better than nothing. Alright, I'm gonna read aloud in 3, 2, 1.
Hurricane Matthew causes weathering and erosion background.
Hold on, let me turn it up.
Hurricane Matthew causes weathering and erosion background. Reading moving water and blowing winds are major factors that impact the appearance of our planet by causing weathering and erosion. Hurricane Matthew causes weathering and erosion background. Reading moving water and blowing winds are major factors that impact the appearance of our planet by causing weathering and erosion. Waves and winds pounding against.
I'm really sorry, I'm just not paying attention. I am really sorry. I know I'm on stream and okay, even if I'm not paying attention, it won't happen again. I'm gay? I don't think I am. Alright, let's continue.
Hurricane Matthew causes weathering and erosion background. Reading moving water and blowing winds are major factors that impact the appearance of our planet by causing weathering and erosion.
Right?
Waves and winds pounding against rock and sand break down the materials in a process called weathering and move them away in a process called erosion, resulting in a changed landscape. In an event such as a hurricane, weathering and erosion happen in a very short amount of time. A hurricane brings heavy rainfall and powerful winds that cause a storm surge. A rise in water level that is above normal high tide. In the case of Hurricane Matthew, these factors led to devastating record flooding. This gallery of U.S. Geological Survey USGS aerial photographs and video of NASA satellite imagery provides students with the opportunity to observe dramatic changes resulting from rapid weathering and erosion by water and wind. In early October 2016, Hurricane Matthew pounded the Caribbean and southeastern coastal United States with heavy rains and a storm surge that caused extensive flooding. Sections of roads and bridges were washed away, and vegetation was stripped from the land. The effects of rapid weathering and erosion are visible in these images and video. The USGS aerial photographs are of 3 Florida East Coast locations. They show the same areas before and after the hurricane. As the hurricane approached the Florida coast, a storm surge and waves washed over an estimated 40 miles of structures and beach dunes that protect coastal communities. The video, which shows NASA satellite images of southern Haiti, orients students to the island nation's location and guides them through observations of land and water before and after the storm. Hurricane Matthew first approached Haiti in the Caribbean and caused extensive damage. Heavy rain, wind, and flooding stripped away much of the vegetation on farms, particularly on steep slopes. The vegetation was washed mostly downriver and into Flamance Bay, located just northeast of the town Les Cayes. The green-colored areas in the before image are vegetation, and the brown-colored areas in the after image are bare land. The Cavaillon River on September 26, 2016, is a bluish color and has some sediment deposited at the mouth. After the hurricane, the river appears muddy and a fan-like shape of sediment has flowed into the bay. Much of that debris is believed to be topsoil that farmers rely on for growing crops. The Flagler Beach images show the change in appearance of the sand dunes as well as carved out portions of the roadway. Strong waves farther north, near St. Augustine. Of rapid weathering and erosion from storms. Using these images, scientists can determine the volume of sand carried away, measure dimensions of remaining dunes, and predict further erosion that future storms might cause.
Alright. Put this down. I don't appreciate anybody making fun of my unibrow. Oh, wait, my family. Sorry if y'all heard my family. I didn't mean that. I hope y'all didn't hear much. Y'all weren't supposed to hear that. If y'all heard any other people talking. Alright. So so basically, so excuse me. So basically was talking about how like erosion and like hurricanes would reshape like sandbars or like erode like sand or whatever. Let me see the reading again. Yeah, it kind of reshapes the land when hurricanes approach and washes away vegetation and like certain things after like a hurricane and kind of reshapes coastal landforms if you know about that, this is more of like an educational stream. All right. So, Hurricane Matthew causes weathering and erosion. Discussion questions. What claims can we make based on evidence of rapid weathering and erosion in the images and video to answer a question? How do wind and water change the shape of the land? Alright. So, the other popular content creators, I'm sure there are probably a lot that they know what they're doing with like academics. So I'll just do my best and you know, I mean, kind of okay, I guess. Even though you shouldn't really look up the answers, but like it's better to try your best and use your brain and what you know? Yeah. Okay. What claims can we make based on evidence of can we make based on evidence of rapid weather and erosion images? And to answer your question, how do wind and water change the shape of the land? Alright, wind. I know this is in English, but I just like to restate, so, and to help me answer the question. Alright, thanks for the 5 likes up here. Yep, and the 3 people rocking with me. Smoke, lean with me, pop with me, get high with me if you rock with me. Smoke with me, drink with me. FW wants the back kidneys. Alright. Okay. Alright. Wind and water change the shape of the land because how do wind and water, because the strong winds and heavy rain because the strong winds and heavy rainfall cause erosion, especially um especially on the coast, especially on the coasts of land, because due to sandbars reshaping and can also form openings with water going through. All right. Here's it corrected with some Grammarly. All right. Wind and water change the shape of the land because strong wind and water change the shape of the land because strong winds and heavy rainfall cause erosion, especially on the coastal areas due to sandbars reshaping, and can also form openings with water going through. Oh yeah, and this is also a bit of a different stream, a type of stream I haven't done before. Like, it's good to like try new things. Yeah. Apologize if y'all hear anything out there. It's just wind and letting some fresh air in. Yep, my door is closed. Alright. Okay, stay here, two people. Thank you. Alright, next question. What was one observation of rapid weathering and erosion in these aerial and satellite images that was surprising or shocking or made you most curious to learn more? Explain. Well, I haven't seen the images. Let me see if I can view them. I don't know why I haven't seen them. Uh, Wait, is this a satellite image or no? I'm viewing a video right now. That's what it is. I also, yeah, got a. This is my own Mac. This is my own MacBook, by the way. So, want you all to see this. It's pretty cool or dope. Uh, what differences do you see before and after on land and in water? So basically, As you can see, this was before and after the hurricane, and it basically reshaped because the heavy rainfall caused uh muddy waters and that stuff and dry land causing vegetation to wash away since I read that. And what else? Any see if I see any differences in the whatchamacallit sandbars or the shores. Let's see. Well, not much of a difference. It's mostly the same. Oh, I may see something. I may see a bit more of sand here, but here it looks more washed away and wet and that stuff. Things may be in Haiti or something. I don't exactly remember, but this was from Hurricane Matthew, just to make things straight. I didn't hear nothing. Someone didn't hear nothing. I apologize. I may have been the time. It may have been that you may be talking about the time that I was on mute. It was because my family was in the room and they're camera and voice shy, and they don't want to be on the internet. Yeah, it's true. Thanks for the 10 people here. I recommend y'all stay. If you found me on Shorts feed, why don't y'all subscribe? Okay. Anyway, observe this will fast row at proposed by recommending a series of before and after images. Research can be used to stimulate curiosity, thinking of questions about the effects of rapid weathering and erosion on land caused by powerful waves, wind, and heavy rainfall due to a strong hurricane. Hurricane Matthew's effect in Haiti are visible in this. Yeah, it's Haiti. The map. Okay, Hurricane Matthew's effects in Haiti are visible in this video before and after NASA satellite images that show large amounts of sediment being washed into a bay and significant areas where vegetation has been stripped away, exposing bare land. Yeah, I understand that. Wonder if anyone here understands that. If y'all are my age or teens or young adults, or if you care more about school, kind of, is important. But I can't wait for the year to end. Thanks for the 8 likes. I hope it gets to 10 likes. This could maybe become my most liked stream. Yeah. Okay. 7 people, alright? Let me know if anyone here subscribed in the chat. I want to hear it. Haven't thought about saying this. Let me read the chat before I continue working. Alright. Hey, XD, new sub. Oh, new subscriber. Thank you. Everyone wait for the school year to end, bro. Yeah. So maybe this will be one thing maybe I'll become known for, having a unibrow, but if I become famous, feel like I should kind of be proud of it. Fetty Wap, he stands out from the other rappers. He may have uh had the opportunity to get a surgery to fix one of his eyes. Cuz he's blind in one eye and but he wanted to stand out from other rappers, and he's different and stands out, and that's a disease that you're born with when you can't see in one eye. It's called contentional glaucoma or something. Fetty Wap is the one made that song Trap Queen 1738. Yeah, and I do not diss that rapper. Yeah. 10 likes, get it to 10 likes, only one more. Hi, will we do a Oh, I didn't see this, Diamond Drogon. I'm sorry. Will we do a duo stream tomorrow? Yes, sir, we will. I hope you get more views. Thank you, man. You sound good. Yep. Cool. Lock in those views for school. Yeah, this is for school. Good luck. Thank you, man. Holy unibrow, you gotta shave that brow, my brother. Brow, my brother. Yep, that look kind of looks like a hater. You are gay. Yeah, that's definitely a hater. I am not gay. I do not identify. I identify as straight. I'm straight. This, huh? I didn't hear nothing. Said hi. Hey, I'm walking my fish, by the way. Walking a fish? Who walks a fish? Sounds like a good joke. There is something that exists walking your cat. Hey, XD new sub, everyone wait for school year to end. How are you? Oh yeah, I'm good, thanks. What about you? I was in the gym, bro. My legs in pain, XD. Huh? I recovering right now. Yes, I did extreme trainings. Okay. Uh, Yeah, it happens when you work out. Like, I got sore, like, in my abs. Really worked out with them. Because I'm trying to grow my abs and also trying to eat enough and eat better, you know. Oh, someone subbed. Wait, is it an. Wait a minute. Uh. Okay, looks like 2 new subscribers. That's cool. Alright. I hope this has a good amount of views, this stream. It's 9:47. I should get to bed soon, so I'll try to finish up this one like homework assignment and then I'll close out the stream and go get myself ready to go to bed. I don't know, you may have seen that video I made last night. It was around midnight when I couldn't fall asleep on a school night. Uh but yeah, it was an idea, you know. Yeah. All right. I am going to continue working and right now. Don't no need for the countdown. That's like it's not necessary. All right. Wish me luck. Okay. What was one observation of rapid All right, now where were we? What was one observation of rapid weathering and erosion in these aerial and satellite images that was surprising or shocking or made you most curious to learn? Explain. Okay. One observation of rapid weathering and erosion in these aerial and satellite images. One observation of rapid weathering and erosion in these aerial and satellite images is how brown the land became after. Okay, thanks for the 10 likes, by the way. Alright, one observation of rapid weather and erosion in these aerial and satellite images is how. Yeah, it's like how, like, brown the land became after Hurricane Matthew. Uh, It shows how dry the land became after vegetation washed and eroded away. Became after vegetation washed. Alright, one observation rapid weathering and erosion in the ethereal satellite images is how brown the land became after Hurricane Matthew. It shows how dry the land became after vegetation washed away. Alright. Washed away from the heavy rainfall. Okay. Okay, I gotta read through this. Think of your experiences at a coastal beach, a lake, or a river. Do you think you witness at a coastal beach, a lake, or a river? Do you think you witnessed the impacts of weathering and erosion? If so, explain what you saw and what you think happened to the natural landscape and human made structures. Okay, let me take some time and think on this. It's not going to be easiest to think of, though. Alright, coastal beach. Any erosion or weathering? Uh, well, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to think. Bear with me. Oh, I think I know. It was like in the Catskills. Uh, wait, but it was a creek, but it's like a river, so it should count. I remember being in the Catsk. I'm sorry. I hope y'all don't hear any other noises. Yeah. I remember being in the Catskill Mountains of New York State, and a major storm, must have reshaped reshaped the um reshaped a river by because raw because 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 um because for example, a large rock platform disappeared. Sorry, someone called. Don't worry about who it is. Because, for example, wait. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. Alright, so do not, my family members, they gotta be silent. I am on stream.